Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not Kraken uses a wallet. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally answer it for you. What is Kraken? Before we get into the details of Kraken's wallet, let's first talk about what Kraken is. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It's one of the largest and most popular exchanges in the world, and it's known for its security and reliability. Does Kraken use a wallet? So, does Kraken use a wallet? The answer is yes and no. Kraken does not have its own wallet that you can use to store your cryptocurrencies. However, Kraken does offer a number of wallet options for you to use. Kraken wallet options. Here are some of the wallet options that Kraken offers. Kraken Exchange Wallet. This is the default wallet that you'll get when you create a Kraken account. It's a secure and convenient way to store your cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to note that your Exchange wallet is not as secure as a hardware wallet. Kraken Pro. Kraken Pro is a more advanced trading platform that offers a number of additional features, including a dedicated wallet. If you're a serious trader, you may want to consider using Kraken Pro. Kraken Institutional. Kraken Institutional is a platform that is designed for institutional investors. It offers a number of advanced features, including a dedicated cold storage wallet. Third-party wallets. Kraken also supports a number of third-party wallets, such as Ledger Nano S and Trezor. These wallets are more secure than exchange wallets, and they're a good option if you're looking to store your cryptocurrencies for the long term. Which wallet should you use? The best wallet for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you're just looking to buy and sell cryptocurrencies occasionally, the Kraken Exchange wallet may be sufficient. However, if you're a serious trader or if you're looking to store your cryptocurrencies for the long term, you may want to consider using a hardware wallet. Kraken Security. No matter which wallet you choose, it's important to be aware of the security risks involved in storing cryptocurrencies. Kraken is a very secure exchange, but it's still important to take steps to protect your account. Here are a few tips. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Be careful about sharing your private keys. Store your cryptocurrencies offline whenever possible. Kraken does not have its own wallet, but it does offer a number of wallet options for you to use. The best wallet for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Be sure to do your research and choose a wallet that is both secure and convenient. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.